Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to write a blog on ChatGPT. So here I'm going to teach you how to write a blog on ChatGPT. So first thing we need to do is I'll be discussing to you guys. Um, Here is decide your blog topic. So before using ChatGPT, need to be clear on what you want to write about. You can do like for examples right here. I made three examples: how to start a YouTube channel, best study tips for students, or beginner's guide to CapCut editing. Make the topic clear, so the blog is much more better. There we go. Ask ChatGPT a clear prompt. Instead of saying write a blog, give details like for example right here, write a 1,000 word blog post about how to start a YouTube channel for beginners. Use simple English headings and examples as you see right there. And you can also add target audience and also tone and purpose. There you go. Generate blog outline first. So this helps structures your blog. So prompt, for example, create a detailed blog outline for a post about how to start a YouTube channel. Then you can say, now write the introduction, then write section 1 in detail. This makes the blog more natural and organized. Number 4 is customize and humanize the content. Don't copy paste directly. Do this, add your own experience or opinion, change wording to sound like you, and add local examples or personal tips. Example, when I was first started YouTube, I struggled with blah 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 and just continue on. And then your chat GPT will add that to the blog. So this helps AI avoid AI sounding content. So improve SEO, optional but important. Ask ChatGPT to optimize the search engine's prompt. Review this blog with SEO in mind. Includes keywords, meta descriptions, and headings. You can ask for SEO title, meta description, keywords, and fact sections. And proofreading, rewrite. Use ChatGPT again to improve quality. Helpful prompts makes the sound more natural and human. Rewrite this in a casual tone, fix grammar and make it clearer. And final check before posting. Check facts, remove repeated sentence, and make sure it matches your voice. So it would sound like you are the one who made it. So there you go, guys. Now I made an example here. Now I will try it on my chat GPT. As you see, write 1,200 word blog post about how to start a blog for beginners. As you can see, I put in exclamation point. So ChatGPT doesn't include the other stuff to the what do you call this topic. And then use a simple English, a friendly tone, heading, bullet points, and examples, including an introduction, step-by-step guide, common mistakes, and conclusion. There you go. So now we're gonna copy that. As you can see right here, I didn't include this because when I was reading this earlier, I thought I didn't add a friendly tone, so I just typed it in. So yeah, there you go. Now we're gonna enter this. After entering, ChatGPT might have a few questions. There you go. There you go. As you can see. There you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. Now here he has a few questions you can answer it if you want. There we go. Make it SEO optimized. That's what I've told earlier. And as you can see right here, you need to customize it for a specific niche. Like what I've also told earlier. Um, if you want now, ChatGPT is asking you this, you can answer it back. And then ChatGPT might redesign a few stuff, but mostly keep the main point. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys review. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.